Hi Beta. Today we are going to start with exercise 12.2. We in the first video we have already discussed the different laws of exponents. So in this exercise we will be using those laws. The first question of exercise 12.2, the first part, it is given 2 upon 5 raised to power of 2 multiplied by 2 upon 5 raised to power 3. So as you can see beta, you have the base same but the powers are different with the multiplication sign between them. So when a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power is done, what we do is we add the powers. So therefore, this is the identity we are using. So what will happen? Therefore, 2 by 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 by 5 raised to power 3 will be equal to beta 2 by 5 raised to power 5. And we have to write the answer in the power notation form only. So we will not open it up, and this is the answer. Similarly, you can do the second part. In the third part, we have minus 3 by 7 raised to power 7 divided by minus 3 by 7 raised to power 4. So what is there beta? A power m divided by a power n. So when the bases are same and there is a divide sign, the powers will get subtracted. So a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So therefore this becomes minus 3 by 7 power 7 divided by minus 3 by 7 power 4. That will be minus 3 by 7 raised to power 7 minus 4. And the answer to this will become minus 3 by 7 power 3. Clear beta? In the fourth part of this question, we have 13 upon 12 raised to power 6 raised to another power which is minus 2. So what is the law used here? If a power m is having another power n, then what happens? The two powers get multiplied. So therefore, this will become 13 upon 12 raised to power 6 into minus 2. Now what is 6 into minus 2? That is equal to minus 12. And how we make a negative power positive? If we have to make a power negative positive, we take the reciprocal of that. So 13 upon 12 raised to power minus 12 can be written as 12 by 13 raised to power 12. This is the answer. Next one, fifth one. In the fifth one beta, we have got inside the bracket we have got 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by minus 4 raised to power minus 1, the whole raised to power minus 1. So first of all, as you know, in the BODMAS, we first of all solve the bracket, and when you solve this bracket, 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 1 will become 2 over 1, because as you know that a raised to power minus 1 m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power n. So you will make it positive by taking the reciprocal of 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 4 raised to power minus 1. You will take the reciprocal of this also, the whole raised to power minus 1. Now this 2 and this 4 get cancelled, and inside the bracket we are left with minus 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 1. Now again this negative sign will be made positive by taking the reciprocal of the fraction inside. So minus 1 by 2 will become minus 2 by 1, which can be written as minus 2, and this is the answer. Beta, this is the way we are going to do the first question of exercise 12.2. Now coming to the second question. In the second question beta, we have to express it as a single exponent. See, it's written express in the single power. Now expressing in the single power, very easy. If x power 4 and y power 4 is there, sorry, x power 8, we have x power 8 multiplied by y power 8. Now you can see that the bases are different. Okay, the bases are different but the power is same. So we can write the bases together, multiply the bases together inside the single bracket and write the power m. So this will become what? This will become x power 8 multiplied by y power 8 will become xy inside the bracket with the common power 8. Similarly, beta, in the second part, you have got 3 power 5 multiplied by 8 power 5. So you will use the same law which we discussed now. So this will become 3 multiplied by 8 inside the bracket with the power 5. So what is 3 multiplied by 8? It is equal to 24 raised to power 5. So in the same way, beta, you can do the rest of the parts also. So this is the way how you will be doing the second sum of your exercise. Now coming to the third sum. Question number 3 is beta simplify. We are going to simplify the question given. So how are we going to simplify beta? Just see the first part. We given 3 power 4 multiplied by 4 power 3 multiplied by 7 power 3 upon 49 multiplied by 7, 2 raised power 6 multiplied by 3 raised power 2. Now beta, first of all, let us write this 49 also in the form of 7. So you will have 3 power 4 multiplied by 4 power 3. You can do one thing beta, you can convert this 4 also in the power of 2. So it will be 2 power 2 the whole raised power 3 multiplied by 7 raised power 3 over 49 can be written as 7 7s are 49, so 7 power 2, 7, 2 raised power 6 into 3 raised power 2. So just see beta, in the numerator we have got 3 power 4, 2 power 3 2s are 6 multiplied by 7 power 3. In the denominator the bases are same, so 7 power 2 and 7 power 1 will get added and we'll get 7 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 6 multiplied by 3 power 2. Now see beta, here also we have got 7 power 3 and here also we have got 7 power 3. So they will get cancelled because as you know that they are same. And even if you subtract them, 3 minus 3 will become 0. Here you are getting 2 power 6 and 2 power 6 will get cancelled. So you are finally only left with 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 2. And this will become beta 3 power 4 minus 2, because when the bases are same and there is a division sign, you know powers will get subtracted. So 4 minus 2, that will be equal to 3 power 2, and 3 power 2, you know 3 multiplied by 3. The answer to this question is 9. Similarly beta, you can do the second part of the question. Now I will take the third part of the same question. Just have a look at the third question, third part beta. In the third part of this question, in the first bracket beta, you are given 1 upon 2 raised to power 3 minus 1 upon 4 raised to power 3, the bracket is closed, multiplied by 4 by 5 multiplied by minus 2 by 3 raised to power 2. Now as you know in BODMAS beta, you have to first of all solve the bracket, but there is a negative sign here, so you will be solving it by taking the LCM. 1 by 2 raised to power 3 means, as done in the first exercise, you will be multiplying it 3 times. So when you will multiply it 3 times, the answer to that will become 1 by 8. Similarly beta, when you will be multiplying 1 by 4 3 times, the answer to that will become 1 by 64. And these will be written as it is. minus 2 by 3 power 2. When you multiply it 2 times, minus 2 into minus 2 is 4 and 3 power 2 is 9. Now beta, you will be taking the LCM of this. The LCM of 8 and 64 will be 64. 8 8 is 64 minus 1 multiplied by 4 by 5 multiplied by 4 by 9. So what is 8 minus 1? That is equal to 7 by 64 multiplied by 4 by 5 multiplied by 4 by 9. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, again 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So in the numerator you were left with 7 and you cannot do the cutting of this 7 with any number in the denominator here. So you have 7 in the numerator and multiply the denominators. 5 4s are 20 and 20 into 9, that is equal to 180. So 7 upon 180 is the answer to this question. Hope you are all clear with this. Next question beta, true and false, you will be using the different laws and you will be solving them. Is it clear to everyone? Same fill in the blanks again, you will be using the different laws and after using those laws, okay, you can see if there is a division sign, the powers will get subtracted. If there is a multiplication sign, the powers will get added and you will be doing the fill in the blanks in the same way. Now we come to question number 6 beta. In question number 6, just have a look at question number 6 beta. In question number 6, we again have to simplify. Now see beta, what is the first part? It is 3 power minus 1 multiplied by 4 power minus 1 and outside the bracket you've got a number power which is 2. So simply, you know, when there is a negative power, you will take the reciprocal of this and make the power positive. So what do you get? 1 1s are 1, 3 4s are 12 raised to power 2. Now just open it, multiply it 2 times, 1 into 1 over 12 multiplied by 1 over 12 and that is equal to 1 by 12. 12s are 144. So 1 upon 144 is the answer of the first part. Similarly, you can do the second part. Okay, in the second part, what is given to you? In the second part beta, we are given 3 raised to power minus 1 divided by 5 raised to power minus 1, the whole raised to power 3. Now see, 3 raised to power minus 1 is 1 by 3 divided by 5 raised to power minus 1 is 1 by 5, the whole raised to power 3. Now when there is a division sign, beta, you already know that what you do is you reciprocate the number, you take the reciprocal of that and you make it the divide sign into multiply. So 1 5s are 5, 3 1s are 3 raised to power 3. Now you open it 3 times beta. 5 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 3 and that is equal to beta 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So 125 by 27 is the answer to your question. Hope everyone is clear with this. So similarly beta, you can do the third and the fourth part. It is the same concept that we have used in the first and the second part. Question number 7. See question number 7th beta. Very interesting question. By what number should we multiply 3 raised to power minus 5 so that the product may be equal to 3? By what number should we multiply 3 raised to power minus 5 so that the product is 3? So what you will do with in the solution? You will say let us multiply by x. Let us multiply by x. So what will happen? 3 raised to power minus 5 multiplied by x is giving me the product equal to 3. Now beta, when there is a negative power, I have already told you you make it positive by taking the reciprocal. And when you will take the reciprocal of this, now this 3 raised to power 5, because it is in the denominator, will be shifted on this side. And when you will shift it on this side, x will be left on the left hand side. So 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 5. When the bases are same, now if there is no power written, means the power is 1. So when the bases are same, the powers get added because there is a multiplication sign. So 1 and 5 added. The answer to this will be 6. So what is the number that you are multiplying? We will multiply by 3 raised to power 6. Answer. Clear, beta? Similarly, if you have to do what must be divided, if the question is question number 8, say what must be divided. So what you have to do in what must be divided? Say beta, let us divide question number 8. By what number should minus 8 by 5 be divided so that the question may be minus 8? So let minus 8 raised to power 5 be divided by x. Be divided by x to get what? Minus 8. So minus 8 raised to power 5 divided by x is equal to minus 8. Now beta, what you will do? Minus 8 raised to power 5. Divide will change into multiply sign and we will take the reciprocal of x. That is equal to minus 8. Now all of you see here. What you will do here is you will take this x on this side. So minus 8 raised to power 5 will be equal to minus 8 multiplied by x. Now if you can see, if you bring this minus 8 on this side, so it will be minus 8 raised to power 5 divided by minus 8, that will be equal to x. So this minus 8 can be given power 1. So when the bases are same and there is a divide sign, the powers will get subtracted beta. So what you will get? You will get minus 8 raised to power 5 minus 1 is equal to x. So what is that equal to? Minus 8 raised to power 4. So the number that you want here by which we should be divided, that is equal to minus 8 raised to power 4. This is the required number beta. Hope everyone is clear with this. Now question number 9 beta. See question number 9 all of you. Just go through the question from your book. What is the question given to you? In question number 9 he says find the reciprocal of. We have to find the reciprocal of this number. 3 by 2 raised to power minus 2 divided by 1 by 3 raised to power minus 3. Beta, first of all we have to solve it and then in the end we will take the reciprocal. So therefore minus 3 raised to power 2, what you will do? First of all you will make it positive by taking the reciprocal divided by again 3 by 1 raised to power 3. Now again as you can see there is a divide sign. So you will take 2 by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by, to change this divide into multiply you will again reciprocate this one and you will get it. Now see, what is this? 2 by 3 raised to power 3. When you open it, it becomes 4 by 9 multiplying 2 times. And 1 by 3 raised to power 3 becomes 1 by 27. ठीक है बेटा? Now when you multiply the two, what you get? You get 4 upon 9 sevens are 63, 9 twos are 18 plus 6 24. So 4 upon 243 you are getting it. But you want the reciprocal. You have got the solution of this. But reciprocal क्या है इसका? What is the reciprocal? Its reciprocal is 243 by 4. So this is the way you are going to first of all solve it beta, and after solving it you will be taking the reciprocal of the number. Last beta, question number 10th of this exercise. In question number 10th we have to show, what we have to show, that minus 11 raised upon 3, minus 11 upon 13 into minus 11 by 13 into 9 by 17 raised to power minus 9 is the same as 13 upon 9 multiplied by 17 upon minus 11 raised to power of 9. Now beta, see, first of all, how we will show this? We will be showing this with the help of the laws, or we will be solving it. Okay? Now when we will be solving it, you can see that what are you getting on this side? When you multiply the 2, you have to get my 11 nines are 99 over 13 sevens are. What is 13 sevens are? When you take the left hand side, you multiply 13 with 17. Now when you multiply 13 with 17, 7 3s are 21 and you get 1, 2, 2, 221. So this is 221 raised to power of minus 9. Clear? And there is no cutting possible, so you just take the reciprocal because it is negative and you will take the reciprocal. So it is 221 by 99 raised to power 9. This is the left hand side. Now just see the right hand side. When you see the RHS, in the RHS it is 13 upon 9 multiplied by 17 upon minus 11 raised to power 9. So multiply again, 13 into 17, that is equal to 221. 9 into 11, that is equal to minus 99. Minus 99 raised to power 9. Now you never put a negative sign in the denominator, you take it in the numerator. So it is 221 by 99 raised to power 9. So you can see the left hand side also and the right hand side you are getting the same answer. So you will say LHS is equal to RHS.